Subtractive manufacturing, you start with a chunk of material and your machine cuts that away. And then formative, honestly, is how pretty much everything you own is made. I want to make a clock. I can make it by adding material where I start with nothing and then maybe I melt down some plastic using my 3D printer. Downside is through additive manufacturing, you're only stuck with the materials that can be used in additive manufacturing, which for the most part are types of plastics, polymers, nylons, things like that. Subtractive manufacturing, you start with a chunk of material and your machine cuts that away. This one was made out of a piece of pine, cut it down into creating my clock face here using a subtractive method where material was removed. A CNC can work with any material as long as the machine's strong enough to handle it, you have the right cutting tools, even things like ceramics, glass, carbon fibers. So this is my laser engraved clock where material was burnt away instead of cut away as we go. So difference between milling and lasers.